and we see clearly. Cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him a no ye. Teach you as a call you no he. He walk as a mo.
Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and a 2, and a 1. Oh, I got it. Yeah, man. Kelly, you're in good form, man.
Yeah.
Hey, wow.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. Pack it in?
Yeah. That was my last set.
Yeah. So what's your plan for this weekend?
See, you're going to laugh about it, but please don't. I intend to use this weekend to woo Doris back.
That's the right move, okay? And there's nothing funny about it.
Well, you know she's refused to come see me since that ugly incident with Sadia.
Hey, you must be lucky she's even talking to you.
Oh, God.
No, look, that girl is marriage material. And be careful you don't lose her.
Well, but first, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get her to come see me this evening. And then I'll turn on the screws on board Dodi Princess tomorrow.
Dodi Princess?
Yes. That's it. Dodi Princess. Well, come on. Let's go clean up, man. I just fill you in later.
Hey, still at your Playboy antics, eh?
Come on.
Look.
Come on. Oh, come on.
Time is catching up with you.
Please. I hope not too fast because, hey, I can't afford to lose her.
You better pray about that.
Yes, come in.
Praise him.
Hallelujah, sister.
Oh, I can see you're minding.
The wrap of a medical student. Even when everybody has gone home. Just look at my plight.
Oh, but to whom much is given, much is expected.
Anyway, thanks for that encouragement.
I brought you this.
Wow! Rice with corned beef stew. My favorite. Thanks again.
Don't mention it.
You want one?
No, thanks. But I was expecting you at the convention yesterday. It was uplifting.
Yesterday we came very late from the hospital. And besides, I was tired.
Anyway, you have the chance to cut the last one on Friday. When will you be leaving, finally? I hear you guys will be breaking next week.
I'll stay the weekend.
Okay.
And go on Monday. And you?
I'll be leaving on Saturday after the last convention on Friday. I'm sure my mom will be livid by now.
Mommy's daughter. Yes, come in. Hey, that's my girl. How are you?
Fine.
You're welcome. Oh.
Hello, Nicola.
Hi.
Are you still in school?
Yes, I stayed to do the work of Christ.
Okay, I see.
Please sit.
Thank you. So how have you been, Professor?
Well, campus is boring, but conducive for learning. How is everybody at home?
Fine. I can't stay long. I've got friends waiting outside for me in a car. That's your dinner.
That's good of you.
I'll leave now.
Thank you very much.
Nicola, I'll see you later then.
Sure. God bless you.
I hope you're not rushing off because of Nicola.
Not at all. In any case, I came unannounced. If we were to go to the car park with me, you would see that my friends are waiting.
Anyway, I've missed your company.
Me too. Are you still leaving for Papa on Monday?
Yeah. Why? Any ideas?
My mom and I are going to a brief for a week. Anyway, you can get me on my space phone.
I hope you haven't forgotten about my invitation.
Not at all.
How the same.
All right then. Until I hear from you.
Take good care of yourself.
I will.
Be a darling.
You too.
And keep your phone open.
I will. Bye.
Sun City, Sun City.
I'm sure you
The
know
light
when I
lights
done
the
it.
park, and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
Oh.
It was okay.
Nee? Hi, come on in. Yeah. Nice.
Alright.
Hi. Nee, meet Peter. Peter. Nee.
Hello?
How are you?
Managing. And you?
I'm alright. Do you want something?
A chilled star should do.
Coming right up.
Excuse me. Okay. So now I don't even get a tasty welcome anymore. You don't pick my calls, you don't return them, you don't even look for me.
Do I hear you whining? Anyway, why should I even listen to what you say? It's not worth a penny. Hi.
Hello.
Is Nino in?
I'm sorry he's gone out. Can I help you?
No, can I wait for him?
Is he expecting you?
No, you know what? Never mind. I'll wait for him outside.
Shoot yourself.
Hi, tasty baby. How are you?
Oh, hi, darling. How are you? Yeah, I've reached Navrongo.
You're in Navrongo already? Hey, that was fast.
Me? What are you doing at the moment?
Oh, you're asking? Well, I'm at home. I'm home marking papers. I'm just bored. I'm missing you so much, darling.
I see. Well.
Hi, tasty love.
Are you cool?
Oh, but I thought you said you're in Navrongo.
What has that got to do with anything? What has it got to do with anything?
Please give me a hug. No, I can explain.
Please.
I can explain, please. No, please. I mean, you can't do this.
Nino.
Hello, no, no. Don't. This is what it's come to, huh? Entertaining guys.
Call it what you like. This is my house.
Oh, yeah, this is my house. This is my house. I mean...
Listen, are you gonna have this or should I put it back?
Well, so what are you trying to do now? Are you asking me to leave?
If you're going to be rude and aggressive, that would be a better alternative, don't you think?
Jesus, I can't believe this. What has come over you?
Sweetheart, make up your mind. I've got a visitor out there.
And who in God's name is that guy?
Now I'm going to have to ask you to leave. If you're going to be violent.
I should leave. Look, I'm not going to take this, okay? I'm not going to take this!
Suit yourself.
Sun City, Sun City.
Can I talk to you for a minute? I mean, no! That's all right. Well, sorry for the abruptness, huh? But there's something I want to get off my chest. Yeah? Doris in there is my fiancée. We're just having a little problem, that's all. Come again? I don't want you to have any funny ideas. Do you hear me? Well, that would be all.
Are you all right?
Yep, just a little comedy, that's all.
Why? What did you say?
I think you stressed the guy enough. He's getting edgy.
You didn't tell him you're my cousin, did you?
The subject didn't come up.
Let him stew for a while.
Bostaka yandere mama bostiki yandara maya. Kandei ka bostike yandere mama. Jesus. Lord God, you know yourself, you know I have served you diligently. Lord, if it is possible, let this cup pass me by. Lord, you know my sisterly love towards Kojon Ponsa. You said you give us the grace. Osaka yandere mama.
So you have your token, you have your dice, your cards, and then you have, as a businessman, like I said, you need some money to start your business. So we go to the bank, they give us a loan, £1,500 each. You have your 500, I have my 500. We come here, you have 4 of the hundreds. Then we go there.
Daddy, Angelina.
Hi, darling. How are you doing? Good. Tell me about it.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's happening here? Monopoly?
Yeah.
Is Daddy cheating you?
No.
Oh.
Daddy, should I get you a drink?
Lovely. That'll be nice. I'll get her some drinks.
That's a very smart kid you have there, huh?
You know, these days they all come smart.
Is MFA at home?
No. She's gone out to check on her health center project.
It's going well now, huh?
She hopes to open before Christmas.
Ah, that's a good time. That's a good time.
And what happened to you yesterday? You were supposed to see Doris.
Please. You don't want to know. It was total disaster.
What do you mean?
I mean, you can't believe this. I don't even know her anymore. I don't think I do.
What?
Yes. Oh, it was just, you would not.
Ah, lovely. Thanks, sweet. There you go. Yeah.
Daddy, I'm going to watch some cartoons.
Have fun.
Yeah?
See you later, Uncle Nino.
But aren't you forgetting something? Come on. Mwah. That's nice. Well,
So, what did you say happened yesterday?
Doris virtually threw me out of her house.
You don't mean it?
It was closer to that. She had a male visitor. Some hunk. You know, and she gave me options. One, to be nice, or to leave her house. I chose the latter.
What? So you misbehaved?
No, I don't know what you call misbehavior. I only asked her why she wasn't returning my calls and why she was entertaining a male visitor.
Wrong move. Look, after you've been caught red-handed, the last thing you want to do is to go there whining.
That's exactly what she said.
What do you mean?
She said I was whining.
What? Sucker punch.
So I walked out. But not until I have spoken my peace of mind to that hunk boy, Peter.
So you mean you confronted this guy as well?
Jesus, I nearly threw a punch.
Wrong move, wrong move.
What frightened me most was the coolness of the guy. I mean, he was as cool as cucumber. I mean, throughout the exchange.
So you succeeded in leaving the way clear for this, your opponent, if there was one.
What else could I have done, my brother?
Look, listen. Nee, I think the smartest thing to do now is to go there as soon as possible and apologize.
Apologize for? What did I do wrong?
I see you never apologized to a woman before. Now you have to start learning if you want to be serious with this one. Listen, you have to get serious, Ninoy. If you want this friendship to go far, I think you need to be serious. I mean, the last thing you want to do is behave flippantly.
Daddy, telephone.
Okay, I'm coming. Listen, Ninoy. It's about time. If you want to get serious, I think Doris is the serious one. But then, if you don't want